Wow! Take a look here. Spacious 3-bedroom pool home located on a cul-de-sac street in the desirable community of Walker's Glen West. You'll love the lush landscaping, barrel tile roof, and easy-to-use accordion storm shutters. Interior boasts a preferred split-bedroom floor plan with bath access from the pool area and an open living/dining area overlooking the screen-enclosed pool. There's also a large covered lanai for relaxing or entertaining. Other great features of the home include a stainless steel appliance package, updated AC system, separate shower and garden tub in master and generous 2-car garage. The homeowner association fee covers lawn care, community entrance and common areas. Finally, it's hard to beat the great location of this neighborhood, close to shopping, restaurants, golf and everything that Vero Beach has to offer. The ideal way to enjoy that often talked about Florida lifestyle.